and benefit of the state of the Tripura. And last but not the least, I once again
and senior officials from Govt of Tripura. Good morning, everyone. I will briefly present the plan of action that has been
information regarding the space applications. Now there will be a short presentation on proposed plan of action of projects by Northeastern Space Applications
under the supervision of Ministry of Donor and Northeast Council. So, and one review meeting was also conducted at Agartala, which was chaired by Honorable Chief Secretary on 9th April, wherein a majority of the line departments also were present here, and based on their inputs, a total of 21 projects were identified, but subsequently it is 20 projects because one.
Honorable Sri Pradeep Chakravarti Sahab, respected Director of DSTE, Sri Anvis Das Ji.
In budget and timeline, the proposal was ultimately approved by the NESEC, and the project of plan of action was subsequently reviewed by the Northeastern Council for funding. Accordingly to
forward to have a lot of activities in the state of Tripura. Secretary DOS Chairman has always assured all possible across the Tripura under the EduSat network program. The network was upgraded in 2017. Currently, more nodes are planned under the Plan of Action project. 5 television.
any second.
Water bodies, the volume of water body has been estimated, assuming different heights of them.
To be here with all of you and talking about the space application interventions in developmental activities of Tripura state. It gives me immense pleasure to see that today NESEC and Department of Science and Technology and Environment, the nodal department for space application in the state, is signing MOU to accelerate the use of space science and technology for developmental activities as well as governance of Tripura. Tripura is before that we have already signed with the MOU with the Government of Assam in presence of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Government of Arunachal Pradesh in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, with the Government of Meghalaya, and now this is the 4th state that we are signing with Government of Tripura. So thank you very much for providing this opportunity to us to signing the MOU at very beautiful city of Agartala. Thank you, sir. The state of Tripura has rich natural resources and tremendous potential for development in the area of agriculture, horticulture, forest resources, tourism. It's a long list. Along with effective conservation plan in forest and wildlife, there is also tremendous scope for IT-enabled services for the educated youths in the state. Space-based disaster management support is envisaged to provide key inputs for better management of different disaster affecting of the state. You may be aware that ISRO has set up a Space Technology Incubation Center, STIC, at NIT Agartala campus. The STIC takes up innovative projects that will help the youth of the state to set up startups in space and allied sector. STIC has already completed 8 such projects and several are ongoing. On the behest of Indian Space Research Organization and Department of Space, NESEC is implementing and coordinating a large number of space application projects for the state of Tripura in the area of natural resource management, infrastructure planning, disaster management support, tele-education, weather forecasting, etc. Tripura Space Application Center has been playing major role in taking up large-scale projects in Tripura state. Major projects that have been taken up covering entire state of Tripura are land use land cover mapping, wasteland mapping, land degradation mapping, wetland mapping, groundwater prospect mapping, etc. with the support of TSEC and concerned user departments in the state. There are many such projects like crop acreage estimation for rice and other few selected major crops has been carried out jointly with Department of Agriculture. Identification of potential areas for development of silkworm food plants in 4 districts of Tripura, which Dhalai, Gomati, Sepahijala and North Tripura for 2 types of sericulture like mulberry and munga. So this has been completed. Site suitability analysis has been carried out for banana, orange and pineapple. So banana basically in West Tripura, orange in North Tripura, pineapple in Unnakoti under Chaman project. Projects on tea area development and management using RSGIS, site suitability for setting up of telecom network towers for uncovered areas in Tripura are other major projects completed by Tripura. Operational feasibility of additional intervention package for accelerating malaria and control in areas with June cultivation for Dhalai district is being done in collaboration with ICMR. For Tripura, space-based information support for decentralized planning (SISDIP) and Northeast Spatial Data Repository has been set up for seamless sharing of space-based data and maps for the line department to help them in preparation of DPR as well as for achieving their department-related goals. The Northeast Regional Node for Disaster Risk Reduction, set up with an objective to provide single window delivery of space-based disaster management support, covers the entire state of Tripura. The Flood Early Warning System (FLUS) project for Tripura has been taken up on experiment mode, and models have been developed for 5 rivers of basins like Dhalai, Gumti, Manu, Haura and Khowai basins. Catchment area management plan for 10 major rivers of Tripura has been completed. Additionally, forest fire location mapping and burned area mapping, landslide hazard zonation mapping, lightning hazard zonation mapping, lightning and severe storm early warning system are operationalized for the state of Tripura with support from Tripura State Disaster Management Authority.
Space Application Center on Director SP Agarwal এবং ত্রিপুরা সায়েন্স টেকনোলজি অ্যান্ড এনভায়রনমেন্ট ডিপার্টমেন্টের পক্ষে আমি সেক্রেটারি প্রদীপ চক্রবর্তী একটা MOU আমরা সাইন করেছি। এটা হচ্ছে যে NESEC যে বিভিন্ন ধরনের তাদের যে এক্সপার্টিস আছে সেই এক্সপার্টিসের অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হবে এই রিজনাল লেভেলেও করবে এবং আমাদের স্টেটেও ওই সেন্টার থেকে আমরা কিছু টেকনোলজি ট্রান্সফার করে পাবো। এটাতে টেকনোলজিক্যাল রিলেশনশিপ বিল্ড আপ হবে, কোঅর্ডিনেশন হবে। আমাদের স্টেটের যে রিসোর্স আছে বিশেষ করে ভূমি সংক্রান্ত যে, তারপর বিভিন্ন ধরনের ফরেস্ট রিসোর্স আছে আমাদের স্টেটে, বায়োডাইভার্সিটি আছে, এগ্রিকালচারাল রিসোর্স আছে, তারপর ডিজাস্টার ম্যানেজমেন্ট রিলেটেড যে নদী নালা ইত্যাদি আছে যেগুলি থেকে ফ্লাডিং আমাদের স্টেটে হয়, আমাদের এই স্টেটে যেমন ল্যান্ড স্লাইড হয়, আর্থকুয়েক হতে পারে, এগুলির উপরে NESEC সেখানে রিমোট সেন্সিং এগুলির ম্যাপিং করতে পারবে এবং আর্লি ওয়ার্নিং সিস্টেমও এখানে ডেভেলপ করা হবে। ডিজাস্টার ম্যানেজমেন্ট এবং বিভিন্ন সেক্টরের কিছু কিছু প্রকল্প নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে। আপাতত এখানে 21টি প্রজেক্টের প্রপোজাল দেওয়া হয়েছিল, তার মধ্যে একটি প্রজেক্ট যেটা টেলিমেডিসিন এটা স্থগিত রাখা হয়েছে, পরবর্তীকালে নেওয়া হবে। আগামী 3 বছরে 20টা প্রজেক্ট নেওয়া হয়েছে হাতে, এর মধ্যে 2টো প্রজেক্ট কমপ্লিশন হয়ে গেছে প্রায়, আর একটা প্রজেক্ট চলছে এখন। তো বাকি প্রজেক্টগুলিও এবার তড়িৎ গতিতে নেওয়া হবে। এই মেমোরেন্ডাম অফ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং যেটা হয়েছে এটার স্বাক্ষর হওয়ার পর কাজের আরও গতি এখানে বেড়ে যাবে। এখানে যা নেওয়া হয়েছে প্রায় 4 কোটি টাকার প্রজেক্ট আছে সবগুলি মিলিয়ে। আশা করব যে আমাদের রাজ্যে আমরা যে টেকনোলজি, স্পেস টেকনোলজির একটা যে ব্যবহার, সেই ব্যবহার আমরা এখানে উত্তরোত্তর করতে পারব এবং এই ব্যবহারের মাধ্যমে আমাদের এই রাজ্যের উন্নয়নও আমরা তড়িৎ গতিতে নিয়ে যেতে পারব। ধন্যবাদ।